This is how you supercharge your business with AI using your own data. Your compliance team spends 80% of the time answering the same policy questions over and over. Your marketing department manually rewrites content for different platforms every single day. Your new employees need weeks to get up to speed with company knowledge. Here's what's happening. Your people are drowning in data they can't access and reuse quickly. The solution is quite simple. Connect AI directly to your company's brain. Let me show you what this looks like. I take my AI training course content and turn it into TikTok video scripts in seconds using Claude MCP. Claude retrieves my data from my Google Drive in real time. Then it generates new data based on my prompt. And of course, the knowledge that it retrieved. Same knowledge, different format, instant results. Now imagine this on a company-wide scale. This is called a Retrieval Augmented System, or RAG for short. Now, what is that? Since I am a very talented artist, I will draw that for you. What we normally have is the user. It's your happy user. Let's say your company's employee asking a question, right? To the LLM. Let's say ChatGPT, for example. And this LLM answers then based on this vast knowledge, this vast data, amount of data, training data that it was trained on, right? Okay, that's supposed to be data. And that's what the LLM bases its answer on. Then you can, of course, have custom assistants. So you can add a document or two, or maybe 20, but not more, to your custom assistant. And then the answer will be based on these. This is already powerful, right? Because you can build custom assistant on a specific topic, and then this user will get a much more specific answer. But what you can also have is a RAG system. So you have, let's say you have all this knowledge in your company. Well, these are documents and documents and data. And there's a lot, of course, because you have been collecting that through all the years that your business is functioning. A lot of knowledge here, and it's very specific to your business, so very valuable, right? And you can build a system. Let's get rid of that. You can build a system that, let's give it a different color so that's clear. A RAG system that you can build out here, Retrieval Augmented Generation, so that the answers provided to the user will be retrieved in real time from all this knowledge. So even if something changes here, like you update your documents or somewhere in your data something changes, it will be retrieved in real time. So the user asks the question. The LLM is, of course, still using its whole training data. That's why it's so intelligent. But it augments this knowledge by your internal real-time, retrieved in real-time data. And that's what the user gets. So this is this augmentation, right? So the answer is augmented by your own data. And retrieval, that's the part where it retrieves information in real time from your data. And then it generates, of course, because it's generative AI, it can generate answers for your user that make sense to them and are based on your internal knowledge. With that, your employees stop wasting 70% of their time searching through internal documents or answering the same questions repeatedly. No more hunting through folders or waiting for responses from other departments. This isn't just about efficiency. This is about transforming how your organization operates. What would your team accomplish if they had instant access to all company knowledge?